Last call in for Hydra 2-1. 2-1, copy volume going up to flight level 240. We're currently established flight level 230 over Point Charlie. 2 multi-cut. Grabbing those right now. A1. Multi-cut for Alpha, 29 for 54. Bravo, 18731. Charlie, 22637. Delta, 267 for 126. How copy? For run 1 and starting on Charlie. Chevy from Hydra 2-1, you debug. Currently 23946 Norad.
Copy, Chevy 2 completing run 2 and Chevy 1 is proceeding to Point Delta for run 3. Is bullseye 264 for 103 flying west. Chevy comes off. If you will loiter at Point Delta in the west until you tell us you're ready. Current bullseye. Between Charlie and Bravo. If you'd like to continue east toward Alpha, we can just pick up trail of you now and proceed with run 3. Run 2, is that what I'm hearing? Is proceeding east from Point Delta for run. This is single ship run 2 Bravo. So completing run 2 Bravo, but as required, Chevy 2 is ready to turn in and flow east. What kind of run would you like us to do? Run 2 again or run 3? Bravo, and Chevy 1 is run 2 Bravo complete.
And Chevy 2 is targeted bullseye 23845. Hydra, Chevy 1 238.
Dr. Nose by about 4 miles.
Would you like me to proceed back to the west and drop my flight lead?
Chevy, stand by. Current location.
About 80 miles trail of you. One at this point, Delta already flowing east. Cables are ready, 940. Andre, continue to confirm your westbound. Previous. Report, Bravo flowing east. Bravo 186 for 31. Range, would you like us to build? He's going to need to build a little bit more range then. We're continuing west. Targeted bullseye 20732.
3-1. Radio check. 3-1, how do you read me? Chevy 1-2 is going to be a late join. Adjust the order a little bit. We'll still do run 1, but we'll adjust it to get Cheddar 1-2 whenever he comes in for our fourth run. 1. We're going to look to do run 1. Run 5 and run 2. Hydra 3-1, copy all. Proceeding eastbound from Bravo to Charlie. Cheddar 1 from Hydra 3-1, eastbound starting run 1. Copy all, thank you. Screen spacing, and we can start our run 5. We'll go ahead and turn around, and then we can do the rear aspect with the westbound. We'll let you know when we're ready when we turn around, and we can start our run 5. 2-1, copies. Cheddar from Hydra 3-1, run 5 complete. We can proceed over to Alpha, just to build some spacing for ourselves. We're going to turn eastbound. And then once you're ready at Alpha, we can proceed on to run number 2. Hot copy.
And for USA, Cheddar 1 is now run complete. bullseye 25466 and Cheddar 1 is bullseye 24450. Cheddar proceed to Alpha.
3-1, what's your full cut?
One is bullseye 25570. We passed about 30 seconds ago. Alpha starting to turn back to eastbound, ready for run 2. Alpha. Eastbound from Point Alpha, 263111. Get it, Cheddar 1 bullseye 25775.
231, can you repeat your bull cut again?
Bullseye 25672. 5365.
3-1, for Cheddar 1, run 2 complete. Let's get over to link up with Cheddar 1-2. We're going to do hard 3. The only difference is that we're not going to do nose to nose. It'll be aft rear. Let us know you're ready.
3, 2, and it'll be a tailgate.
Copy. Here, music, we're going to continue to proceed westbound to Alpha. Start your run 3 now.
Tracking an airspace end time at 1900. Have you guys gotten an extension?
Should be ending at 1900.
No airspace extension. We'll try and call Boston and see if we can get it extended a little bit.
For Chevy?
Yeah.
6088.
Not complete. Shadow 1 is bullseye 26090.
We have left.
On probably just about 15 minutes for Shadow 1. Sorry, that'll be for the 2 ships because we got to go back together.
And from Hydra 3-1, for both of you, you and Cheddar 2, you guys have to stick together, or can we at least play around with Cheddar 2 a little longer?
Now, Hydra, Cheddar 1 and 2, we got an RTB together. No showing Misty ending now.
Thanks for the help for both you and Cheddar 2.
I'll talk to you guys on the ground. We are eastbound in our block and pulling back to Viper.
Proceed over.